Installing a Starlink Mini antenna is the most easiest thing you can do. If you look at here, you've got one cable that needs to go to AC inside, and you have this little stand. So you take out that stand just like that, and you put the antenna on the ground. Then you need to have a clear sky. So it doesn't mean clouds or anything, but just not too much of those kind of stuff that we call trees. Or that could be a house or anything that blocks your view to the sky. So actually this here is pretty good. And then you go on the app. You will be asked to be connected to it. You open the app, you follow the instruction, and it's very simple. And then you've got the obstruction here that can help you to see if you have any obstruction. After a time when it is connected, you will see blue and red. And as you can see, there's a bit of red here. That's probably those big trees over there. So that's the only thing I have here. That's great. And then you go here on alignment. And from here, what it is important is that you see that we have here the antenna, and there's a rectangle over here. And you need to move the antenna like that so that it is oriented inside the rectangle. So you see, I move the antenna, and yeah, just move it. I was just moving it like this until I reach that perfect alignment inside, and you're done. It's pretty much it. It's that easy to set up. So I hope this was helpful.